Fox 13's John Franke takes a look at the steps owners and managers are taking to bring customers safely inside.
They are going to be stretched to their very limits.
That's Melva Sign, the president of the Utah Restaurant Association. Members of her group are set to tackle challenges as they prepare to reopen.
Restaurants absolutely do not have the funds necessary to start ordering mass amounts of equipment when at the same time they've got to repurchase inventory.
Sign hopes the state can help with that financial burden. Every employee will be required to wear a mask and gloves. Sign estimates statewide that supply will cost at least $3 million a month.
We are focused on making sure that we get all of that equipment working with the state of Utah.
As they wait for assistance from the state, restaurant owners are working on safety. Many joined a virtual Q&A with the Salt Lake County Health Department this weekend.
Social distancing and hand washing are the two most important things that we need to be doing.
If an employee tests positive for the virus, any coworkers who had close contact with that person will be forced to self-isolate for 2 weeks or get tested.
We're putting in some mandatory hand washing guidelines that we will be tracking for the employees. In a smaller location, you could wipe out your entire staff for 2 weeks if you have a problem.
Fleming Steakhouse at the Gateway shared how it's promoting cleanliness. Steps include installing kick plates on doors to reduce touch points, sanitizing menus, pens, and check plates, and deep cleaning every table in between use.
We strip the entire table down. We spray every single surface. We allow the guests to see us doing this. We leave that on the surface for 2 minutes. Then we return, we reset the table completely fresh from scratch.
While they compete for business, restaurants want to work as a family to show customers they can come back, enjoy a night out, and not worry about getting sick.
It would be great if we had some kind of safe Utah sticker or something that we all, identified we were part of an alliance of people that were doing our best to keep a clean workspace.
While May 1st is the target date to reopen dining rooms, that is still a few days away, and it could change if Utah's COVID-19 cases dictate. In Salt Lake City, John Franke, Fox 13 News, Utah.
As things around town are beginning to reopen, elective dental surgeries are available once again. The order put in place on March 23rd prohibiting these surgeries is no longer in effect. Dentists and surgeons will once again be able to perform procedures that weren't essential. However, there will still be a number of restrictions on the surgeries.
And so we're going to alter the way we see patients by trying to keep the social distancing intact and also decreasing the amount of patients that we see at a time.
Dr. David Park with Utah Surgical Arts in Provo, who you just heard from, will start seeing patients once again tomorrow.